Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video I wanted to share with you guys how I save 100% saving by installing my own water filter. Okay, so I'm using a Picogram. Okay, I bought a Picogram. It's a Korean water filter. It has a halal certification. I bought it for around 286, around 300 ringgit. Okay, and this is what it comes with. Okay, all of these filters we get together with the connectors. This filter, we have four type of filters. Okay, and it filter sediment, pre-carbon block, UF membrane, and silver post-carbon block. Okay, first thing first, even though here it says each filter will be used for 900 liter, so what I would suggest is you do your own calculation. For example, in my household we are using this jug of water, 3 jug of water per day. So you do a simple calculation. So 1.5 this jug is 1.5 liters, so times 3 jug per day, so in a day will consume around 4.5. so each of the filter just now could be used for 900 liter, so 900 liter divided by 4.5, so you got 200 days. So 200 days equal to 6 months. So actually our consumption at home is actually double of what is stated on the instruction here. Okay, so here it says 3 months per 900 liters, so we actually use 900 liters for a period of 6 months. Okay, so how would you install this? Okay, on the first month, okay, first installation is you have to install all of these 4 filters. Okay, followed by after 6 months you only change the first filter, sediment filter, and then after 12 months you change the sediment filter and the pre-carbon filter. Okay, after 18 months you change the sediment filter, and lastly after 24 months you replace all of the filters. So you need to purchase another set, which is around 300 ringgit. Okay, this is my self-installed filter. I got 4 filters here. Okay, it's taking the water from the water tap and it goes to the filter and it goes straight to my filter here. Okay, so I would really strongly recommend, whenever you change your filter, so you have to change everything, including all of this white pipeline. Change everything, don't just change the 4 filters. Okay, so you do this every 2 years. In my consumption is every 2 years. Okay, so because there is a build of kulat inside here, so you have to change this as well. Okay, in order to monitor this and track this properly, I pasted a notes here. So this is my old note, so it's actually sediment every 6 months, this is every 12 months, every 24 months and 24 months. So all of this tracker is to track the tracking of replacing it for the period of 2 years. Okay, so I hope this sharing would be beneficial to you. So if you wanted to know more, you can always message me, then I'll be happy to help. Okay, all right, Assalamualaikum, thank you.